podium has arrived. We're gonna go through, this guy's gonna show us over there.
Okay, cool. We're doing a benefit performance on, what's the date? May 12th?
Yeah.
Is that right?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go grab him.
So this is the space. This is it. Okay, cool.
How did I get here? How did I get here? We were all waiting.
Oh, yeah, we got here early and we found our way in. So,
All right. This is it. The space itself, these are movable, and the plan was I'll be setting them up sort of in an L in that corner, which gives us maximum throw for projections. That's what's going out to everyone in terms of what we're doing.
Nice.
The ticket, it's the flyer, and then next to that, they can get your autograph and keep track of their silent auction items.
the angle's good for all the sight lines here too.
So, all right, so then that would be for the circle, and then for the effect at the end, certainly a lot of them to do this.
I'm fine with the height, so if going high allows that to work with the front projector for all of it and it helps you, then I'm fine with that too.
You figure out a time to rehang, and we do need to refocus.
Right.
So we still do need.
We're gonna
time
need
to
we're
do
gonna
that.
need we're gonna need to hang and focus time, and we're gonna need tech time to build cues.
Exactly.
And tech with Andy. Yeah.
And Drew needs time to hang.
No, I'm not putting anything in here.
Oh, you're not putting
Yeah.
it. Oh, I
I'm
misunderstood.
intentionally not putting anything in here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like
I
I said, it
misunderstood.
will take me 2 speakers on the ground on stands, cabled back to. I don't want anything to do with up there. It is so high. It's like I don't want the sound to be 30 feet over everybody's head.
So you've got 2 performances on Friday.
Do. We're doing one about 2 o'clock for the students, and with a little time after for some discussion. And then doors open at 6, and then 7 p.m. curtain for the show that evening. It's a fundraiser for the kids who are the Wolf-PAC theater students who are gonna be going over to the Edinburgh Fringe, which is just incredibly exciting. Wonderful to have the opportunity to contribute to that in some way, because I know when I was 17, 18, if I had a chance to go to London and Edinburgh, I mean, come on, life-changing. So it's really a privilege to be able to do something like this, and it's fun.